Hey everyone, welcome back to Lana Decor. Today we are diving into snowy winter vibes with cozy, handmade rustic decor you can create yourself. From simple candle displays to charming garlands, these DIYs turn cold days into warm, creative moments. Grab a hot drink, get comfortable, and let's start crafting your dream winter home together. Soft candlelight flickers along the row of wood slices, turning a simple table into a glowing winter retreat. The pale wood contrasts gently with dark pine cones and fresh evergreen sprigs. Outside, snow drifts past the window, but here everything feels calm and warm. This handmade centerpiece invites guests to sit, talk slowly, and savor the quiet beauty of a rustic snowy evening together. Frosted mason jars glow softly on the windowsill, each one a tiny beacon in the snowy night. Granules of sparkling snow cradle the warm light, casting delicate patterns on the wooden frame. Pine branches and small cones rest beside them, adding texture and forest charm. As snowflakes gather on the glass outside, these simple lanterns turn an ordinary corner into a magical, handcrafted winter moment filled with hush and comfort. A bundle of birch logs rests on the floor, tied tightly with rough jute twine. Their white bark glows against the dark wood, while sprigs of fresh pine peek out from the knot. A small metal bell adds a soft, nostalgic detail that feels like childhood winters. Nearby, a fire crackles gently and snow swirls outside, completing the sense of rustic warmth and simple, handmade seasonal charm. On the shelf, a cluster of twine-wrapped cone trees stands quietly, like a tiny handmade forest. The rough jute texture and snowy white tips catch the light, creating subtle sparkle without feeling too bright. Faux snow drifts around their bases, resting on aged wood and vintage books. In the background, a snowy window frames the scene, turning these simple crafts into a calm, rustic winter landscape filled with texture and warmth. Across the mantel, a garland of dried orange slices and cinnamon sticks hangs gracefully on rustic twine. The warm amber tones glow against the white wall, while wooden beads and evergreen sprigs add gentle farmhouse character. Candles below flicker softly, enhancing the natural colors and textures. Outside, snow falls in quiet layers, but inside the room feels fragrant, cozy, and lovingly decorated with simple handmade pieces that celebrate winter's warmth and tradition. A small weathered wooden crate becomes a charming winter centerpiece, filled with glass bottles and evergreen clippings. Pine cones nestle between twinkling fairy lights, creating a soft, inviting glow. The crate sits proudly on a coffee table, surrounded by knit blankets and worn books. Snowy branches outside the window echo the greenery inside, blending outdoors and indoors. This simple arrangement turns everyday objects into a handmade rustic story of warmth, nature, and peaceful winter evenings. On a round wood slice, a tiny house and miniature trees rest under a clear glass cloche. Faux snow blankets the scene, capturing the feeling of a quiet village tucked into a winter hillside. Candlelight reflects across the glass, casting gentle highlights on the little rooftops. Beyond, a snowy window and pine garland frame the vignette. This small, handcrafted world invites the imagination to wander through a peaceful, rustic winter night. On a rustic console table, glass candle holders wear sleeves of repurposed sweaters, each one soft and textured. Jute bows tie around the cozy covers, while candle flames glow warmly from within. Pine sprigs and scattered faux snow complete the arrangement, resting on a time-worn wooden surface. Through the window, snow falls steadily, but inside the light feels gentle and safe. These simple handmade pieces bring both comfort and character to the winter home. A stack of old books, painted in soft white, sits quietly on the side table. Along their spines, a simple winter phrase appears, tied together with jute twine and a small evergreen sprig. Nearby, a ceramic house and candle add more layers of warmth and light. Snow-covered trees outside echo the calm mood. This little vignette turns forgotten books into meaningful decor, telling a quiet, handmade story of rustic winter days at home. The sofa becomes a winter haven, dressed in neutral pillows stenciled with simple snowflakes and pine trees. Soft linen and cotton fabrics blend with chunky knit blankets draped casually across the cushions. Outside, a snowy landscape stretches beyond the window, while warm interior light wraps everything in gentle glow. This relaxed, handmade mix of textures and patterns creates a calm, rustic refuge where winter feels inviting rather than harsh or cold. Against a shiplap wall, a rustic wooden ladder leans casually, repurposed as a cozy blanket rack. Plaid and chunky knit throws hang from each rung, their textures inviting you to reach out and touch. A small winter wreath adds a delicate accent, while snow swirls outside a nearby window. The wooden floor beneath softens the scene with warmth. This simple idea turns a humble ladder into both useful storage and charming winter decor. On the front door, a cluster of pine cones hangs from strands of jute and linen ribbon, each length slightly different. A simple bow anchors the design, with a light dusting of faux snow catching on the edges. Frosted glass panels reveal a snowy world beyond. Every arrival and farewell feels special, greeted by this handcrafted piece. It is a quiet, rustic welcome that sets the tone for a warm winter home. A grain sack-inspired table runner stretches down the center of a farmhouse dining table, stripes painted in soft, weathered gray. Wooden chargers, white dishes, and simple glassware rest on top, surrounded by pine branches and glowing candles. Outside, snow falls steadily, while a warm pendant light shines overhead. The whole setting feels relaxed yet thoughtful, blending rustic charm with handmade detail, inviting guests to sit long and share slow conversations on winter nights. On a round wooden tray, a small winter story unfolds through simple, rustic elements. A pillar candle stands beside a tiny ceramic house, while a vase of fresh winter greens adds height and life. Wooden bead garland and a dusting of faux snow tie everything together. The tray rests on a soft ottoman, surrounded by knit pillows and blankets, with snow drifting past the window. This easy arrangement brings winter magic into everyday living. A distressed wood frame hangs on the wall, displaying winter art crafted from simple materials. A linen or craft paper background holds a hand-painted white quote, subtle snowflakes scattered around the words. Below, a sideboard styled with candles and pine cones continues the rustic theme. Snowy branches outside echo the calm tone inside. This piece feels personal and handmade, turning a blank wall into a gentle reminder of winter's quiet beauty. Across the mantel, a garland of tiny felt mittens stretches from end to end, each one slightly unique. Neutral tones and simple stitching give them a sweet, homemade feel. Mini wooden clothespins hold them to a jute string, with pine branches and twinkling lights woven behind. The fireplace below glows warmly, while snow whirls outside the window. This playful, rustic touch adds charm and nostalgia to the winter room without overwhelming it. On a worn wooden table, a glass jar wrapped in twine holds a cluster of bare twigs. Their branches, lightly brushed with white paint, look as if they have just come in from the snow. Faux snow gathers at the base, surrounded by pine cones and a single candle. The scene is minimal yet rich in texture, echoing the snowy forest outside the window and bringing a piece of winter's quiet beauty indoors. Small wreaths of greenery hang from cabinet doors and chair backs, tied with soft linen ribbon. Their deep green color stands out against neutral wood and paint, bringing life to the kitchen and dining area. Through the window, snow falls gently on the yard, echoing the calm scene inside. These subtle touches feel charming and thoughtful, proving that even the smallest handmade details can transform everyday furniture into rustic winter decor. Thank you so much for spending this snowy crafting time with Lana Decor. Today saw how simple materials can become warm, rustic decor that fills your home with winter charm. If these ideas inspired you, please hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Tell me in the comments which DIY you'll try first and what theme you want to see next.